guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome if you are new here. Today's video is part 2 of my Christmas Clean and Decorate series. In today's video, I'll be decorating my living room, hallway, downstairs, and grandmother's room. So I hope you guys enjoy today's video and that you find a lot of motivation from it. And if you like my video, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. So let's get started. So I'm first starting off with the living room decorations, and my grandmother will be helping me. Her name is Irene, so make sure to give her some love down in the comments. But we are first putting up our Christmas tree, and we do have a fake Christmas tree. We just prefer it. We've had it for years. It comes in 3 different parts, so the bottom, middle, and then the top. So it is kind of a pain in the butt to put together, and it is heavy, so that is why my grandmother will be assisting me. But that is what we are doing here. We're just putting it all together, making sure all the lights work, because sometimes one light is out and then it causes whole other trouble, and then we will go in and put our decorations up. Here I am doing my least favorite part of decorating the tree, which is just making sure all the branches are unfolded and straight. I think this is very tedious and takes the longest, so this is definitely my least favorite part. So I had to cut a lot out of it because I was unfolding the branches for a very long time. So about 10 minutes later, we are starting to put our decorations on it, and we put multicolored Christmas ornaments on it of all different sizes. So I'm just putting the bigger ones toward the bottom, and then the smaller ones will go up towards the top. And of course, we just have some overall like family memory ornaments that we put on the tree every year. The next upcoming few minutes will just be me and my grandmother decorating the tree with our ornaments. So I did speed it up a lot, so you're not just watching us decorate the tree for like 10 minutes. So that is what we'll be doing, and I hope you enjoy how the tree comes together. If you're enjoying my video so far, it would mean a lot to me if you would subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up. I appreciate all of your guys' support, and be sure to check out all of my other videos, and especially part 1 of this series. is time to put the angel on the tree, and she doesn't really fit properly, so my grandmother did her own method to make it fit properly with pencils. I don't really know, but it was kind of a struggle to put up, and it might look a tiny bit crooked, but hey, it is what it is. So now it is time to put the tinsel on the tree, and this part I am not the best at, so my grandmother was taking over, but we have just used this red and green color every year, so it is a classic and staple in our house. And every year, my grandmother puts candy canes in the tree. These candy canes are the ones that go outside in your driveway and can stick into the ground, but she came up with the idea to just put them in the tree, and she has been doing this for however long I can remember. So that is what we are doing here, and we kind of had to struggle with the lights and take out each light and make sure they all work, but I completely skipped that because I don't think you would have enjoyed seeing our frustration. This is what our tree looks like, all decorated with the candy canes and the angel on top. So I hope you guys enjoyed the first part of this video, and yes, we did have stockings put up. I completely forgot to film that part, but we do have 4 stockings up. Oh, now it is time for the hallway decorations, and in our hallway we have this shelving unit. So I am just going in with the peppermint multi-surface cleaner and wiping it down, and I'm going to be decorating it. So I'm just wiping down the top 2 shelves and taking everything off. And this decoration coming up, I painted myself. I got it from Michael's, and you could paint it yourself. It does light up. It was a just really cute project to do, but it does really look nice when it is all dark. So I wanted to put it on this shelf, but it doesn't fit, so I ended up putting it on top with this Christmas tree. I was gonna actually put it on the same shelf that I tried to put the Merry Christmas on, but it doesn't fit with the star on top, so I did put it up on the top shelf. And of course, as I go along, I'm cleaning all the other shelves and all of the pictures. I am putting up all of these 4 snowmen, and they are really cute. They were supposed to light up, but I don't know, they were just broken for some reason, but they're really cute. I think of them as a cute little family, so I always put them up every year. Moving on to the next shelf, I did end up decorating every other shelf, so I am just wiping this down and putting any pictures back up that need to be put back on the shelf, and of course I'm cleaning it. Everything was really dusty over here, so I think it was good that I cleaned. Moving on to the next shelf, I did decorate it with this tree and then the Santa Claus, and the tree was supposed to be a holder for cheese cubes, and the teddy bear and the girl are salt and pepper shakers. I think they look cuter on the shelf here, and I put this other Santa up as well, and I did not put that little tree thing up either. It didn't look good where I wanted it, so I just took it down. And then the next shelf, I will just be cleaning and putting up any pictures that need to be put up. So this is the final product of the shelving unit that we have in our hallway. Moving on to our front hallway where the front door is, I am just wiping down our shoe holder. This was also really dusty, and I will be replacing our key holder with a more Christmassy one, and I will also be putting the skates up that were on the shelving unit. This is just really adorable when you come in. And this is what it looks like. Even the smallest things can make it seem more like the holidays. I'm decorating our back door with these magnets that we've had forever. They are just very Christmassy, so I thought I would put them on, and we usually put them on the back door every year. Moving on to the downstairs decorations. So the downstairs area is my workout area, and I will put all my workout items on this table. So first I'm starting off by just organizing it and wiping it down with the Peppermint Myers multi-surface spray, and then I'm going to go in and just decorate this table and make it more Christmassy down here. This area is very important to me. This is where I get all my workouts done, where I track everything, and I work out every day, so I just thought it would be a good idea to make it more Christmassy. So I actually ended up putting the tree candle holder down here because I did have a candle down here. And I also put up this mini gold tree that I actually had from my dorm when I lived at college. And I will be putting up little mini ornaments, and this also comes with a skirt as well. So this is perfect, and the ornaments are all the same color basically. They only have 3 colors, so it does become a little repetitive, and it also didn't have a tree topper, so I ended up putting 3 of these ornaments together at the top. And this is what my table looks like with the candle holder and my little mini Christmas tree. The skirt is actually really adorable, and as you can tell, the ornaments are repetitive, but it's perfect. And here's my little tree topper that I made up. I had this stocking with a J on it because my name is Janessa, so I did put it on the side of the TV, and I will see it when I'm working out. Moving on to my grandmother's room, she had no decorations, so I took it upon myself to decorate for her in there. So all of our plants are in her room right now on a folding table because the window is full of decorations. So I am just wiping this down, and then I will be putting up this white mini Christmas tree in here that has white lights on it, and then I will decorate it with mini ornaments, and this also has a cute little pink tree topper as well. This tree did not have a skirt, so I am just adding this white felt almost, it's like, but it looks like snow, so I'm adding it to the bottom, and it's just really cute with everything. Now I am putting up this Noel sign on her bathroom door. Was a tiny bit of a struggle, as you can tell, to put up, but I did end up being successful with it. And then I'm going in with this other mini stocking that has an M on it because I do call her Mimi, and I'm putting that on her bathroom door as well. And in her bathroom I am putting up this night light almost, but it has a Christmas tree on it, and the lights are really cute when it lights up. And then on our makeup table, I'm putting up these hanging decorations. It has a mitten, a hat, and a skate on it. I just thought that was a cute addition. We can't forget the gingerbread house, so me and my boyfriend decorated our own for the first time this year. We did get it at Target in early November because they are definitely all sold out by now. But as you can tell, one of the lights fell off already, but it was a fun project to do with him, and I don't think I ever decorated a gingerbread house in my life, so it was a learning experience, but can't forget to include it in the Christmas video. So that is all for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you did, make sure to subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up. And I hope you enjoyed my 2-part Christmas Clean and Decorate with Me series. If you would like to see more series with me, or you have other video suggestions, just leave me a comment down below. And if you would like to see other videos of mine, you can click on either the left or the right. And thank you guys again for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!